Hello, my dear CA final students. So, might be wondering today what is the background screen with which Sir has come, sir. So, today we have to discuss another important section in Companies Act, which is section 151. So, 151 is talking about appointment of small shareholder directors. So, as the name suggests, small shareholder director, Garibo ka Masiha. Now, who is a small shareholder director? Now, before we understand small shareholder director, let us try to divide this answer into two parts. So, one side we have small shareholder, and another side we have small shareholder director. So, first, who is a small shareholder? And then we will understand who is small shareholder director. When they are appointed, is it compulsory for companies to be appointing a small shareholder director? What type of companies should appoint small shareholder director? Will company appoint this on a suo motu basis, or somebody should place a request? And will preference shareholder be also be considered as a small shareholder director? How much will be the tenure small shareholder director will be having, whether they will be eligible for reappointment or not, how many companies may a person can become a small shareholder director? To know the answers, keep continuing watching this video, sir. So without wasting 8 minutes, sir, let us understand the logic with which lawmakers have introduced a small shareholder director. Now, sir, now can I say in a company you will be having all the shareholders be divided into groups, sir. Now imagine group 1 may you are having shareholders who are holding 60% value. Sir, group 2 may you have shareholders who are holding 40% value. Sir, how these groups are formed? Can I say in school also, in colleges also, or for that matter, CA classes where you go face to face, sir? Can I say every day if you sit on a particular bench, sir, can I say nearby your bench, matlab whoever is adjacent to you, forward to you, backward to you, sir, can I say you all become good friends, sir? Sir, don't you think now all you people will be in regular touch with each other, and now you form a group, you become good friends also, sir? So can I say here also chances are bright that a group might be formed, sir, and these group are holding majority in value, sir, and other group is all chote chote logon ka group, sir, where 40% value they are holding, sir. Sir, now, sir, we remember one section which is section 152 subsection 2, sir. Sir, it says unless otherwise stated, sir, all the directors will be appointed by whom, sir? Shareholders in general meeting, sir. So if there is an express provision written elsewhere, then we will follow that provision. Otherwise, all the directors in the company should be appointed by whom, sir? Shareholders in the general meeting, sir. Sir, is there any express provision in the company law? Answer is yes. We have already studied something called section 161, sir, where we have appointed different types of directors, and all those directors were appointed by whom, sir? Board of directors, sir. Anyway, that was different concept. Now let's come back to our main concept, sir. So here all the directors are to be appointed by shareholders in general meeting, sir. Cool. Sir, by passing what? Ordinary resolution, sir. By passing what, sir? Ordinary resolution, sir. Now, don't you think, sir, group 1 will be now having a dominating feature. Group 1 will be dominating over whom, sir? Group 2, sir. Sir, don't you think total board of directors may, if there are 10 people, sir, all will be the choice of whom, sir? Group 1 shareholders only. सर, डोंट यू थिंक नाउ ग्रुप 2 शेयर होल्डर्स माइट बी थिंकिंग, सर, कि साला हमारा तो कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है कंपनी में. वी हैव इन्वेस्टेड मनी इन द बिजनेस एंड वी आर नॉट हैविंग एनी राइट टू अपॉइंट व्हाट, सर? डायरेक्टर्स. नाउ डोंट यू थिंक दीज पीपल का से इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, सर? वॉट एवर दे आर सेइंग दैट इज ए करेक्ट थिंग, सर. And height says what? Tomorrow if these shareholders are having any problem, sir, nobody is listening to their problems, sir. Nobody is listening to their problems. So don't you think there should be somebody who should listen to their problems, sir? So who will be that somebody, sir? Sir, in that board of directors, if somebody is that person who was nominated and appointed by these persons, at least these people can go and tell the problem to that person, and that person will ensure that that problem is properly discussed with the board of directors. Do you think chance is there, that possibility is there? Yes, that is different thing. One person cannot make difference, but at least can I say these people will come to know how company is operating, what business may money is being spent, sir, whether revenues are generating or not, sir, what activities board of directors are doing, whether corporate governance is properly happening or not, sir. Can I say at least this person will provide such information to these people, sir. Agreed? Now sir, 40% they are holding in value, but that is not what exactly we have to understand, sir. Sir, here what we are trying to understand, these people are small shareholders, sir. Sir, who is a small shareholder, sir? Sir, every shareholder who is holding 20,000 or less, 20,000 or less nominal value ka shares of a company. So every shareholder who holds 20,000 or less, in rupees I am talking about, sir, 20,000 or less nominal value matlab face value of the shares, then that person is called as a small shareholder director, sir. Sir, here share matlab kya, sir? It can be equity also, it can be preference also. It can be equity also, it can be preference shareholder also. So if I am holding nominal value of 20,000 shares in a particular company or less than that also, I will be called as small shareholder director in the company, sir. Imagine all those small shareholder director in the company are forming a group, sir, and they are 40% only, sir. Can I say their say is not there in the company, sir? Sir, all the shareholders, majority shareholders, that is group 1 shareholders, are able to appoint, sir. So what they wanted was कि we should also be having one person who is our representative. We should also be having one person who will ensure that what is happening in the company is told to us, sir. Sir, don't you think their case or whatever their point is also genuine, sir? So hence lawmakers said that we will introduce a concept of small shareholder director. So presently I told you who is a small shareholder. SSH matlab small shareholder. So who is a small shareholder, sir? Every shareholder who is holding 20% or 20,000 or less face value of shares, nominal value of shares. Let us take example, sir. Sir, myself, PJ, have purchased, say for example, 1 lakh worth of shares in Infosys. So I have purchased 1 lakh worth of shares in the Infosys, sir. Rupees 1 lakh worth of shares in the Infosys from open stock market, that is stock market. Say I have purchased shares, sir. So now my question is, am I a small shareholder? Am I a small shareholder? Now, sir, to avoid confusion, what you should understand, today this 1 lakh ka shares I have purchased. Now, don't you think this is not face value wala shares I am talking about? Sir, I have purchased it from market, sir. Hence, these are market value. So now imagine a scenario. I am holding now market value, sir. Now find out how much is the nominal value. Sir, nominal value is this, sir. Face value of the share today is, say for example, 1 rupee, and in market premium pay they are going on, and that is being sold at 1,000 rupees, sir. So can I say premium, they are being sold at a market value of 1,000, sir. So can I say like this, here 999 is premium and 1 rupee is your face value, sir. Sir, now what should I do, sir? 1 lakh ko I have to divide by what, sir? 1,000, sir. So can I say I am holding only face value 100 rupees, sir. So hence I will be termed as small shareholder. So here what is the point you should understand? Am I talking about market value? No, I am talking about face value of the share, sir. I am talking about face value of the share, sir. I hope you understood what exactly I am trying to tell you, sir. So even though if it is 1 lakh rupees, exam may intentionally they will give you this question to confuse you, sir. We should not consider market value, sir. है ना, वो आपको बुलाएगी बट आप जाना मत, है ना, वो आपको फंसाएगा बट आप फंसना मत, सर, है ना. सो एंश्योर दैट वी डू कंसिडर दिस पॉइंट वेरी सीरियसली, सर. Here we have to only consider face value or nominal value. Both are same, sir. We have to consider face value or nominal value, but not the market value, sir. Okay, let me take example number 2 sir. Sir, imagine today Infosys का 30,000 shares I am holding, which is of face value 1 rupee, 30,000 sir. Sir, in which company has called up only 50 paisa. Sir, 50 paisa is uncalled and I did not pay also. Okay, so now my question is, am I a small shareholder? Because if you see, I have paid how much to the company, sir? 30,000 into 50 paisa, that will be your 15,000 rupees only, sir. Sir, am I a small shareholder, sir? Answer is no. See, again, this is nothing but your paid up value. So he may confuse you by giving paid up value also, sir. Again, we have to be very strict, sir. We will consider only face value. So how much is paid in that is immaterial, sir. So can I say, in this case, I am not a small shareholder. I am not a small shareholder, sir. I hope you understood, sir. Clear? So I request you people to just make note of this small chart, sir. So I'll wait for few seconds, sir. You may pause it and then note down, sir. Okay, so what is the point we have to consider, sir? Only nominal value. So face value given in the question, sorry, face value or nominal value. So paid up value given, not required, sir. What you say, market value given, not required, sir. We are interested only in one value, which is face value, sir. Okay, nice, sir. Agla question, sir. Question number 2, sir. Sir, which company should appoint this person, sir? Which company, sir? For which company small shareholder director ka criteria is there, sir? Sir, lawmakers have used a word, only listed company. So lawmakers said only listed company are the one for whom we are saying that small shareholder director is required, sir. Okay, good, sir. Sir, question number 3, sir. Who will appoint small shareholder director? Which company should have what, sir? Small shareholder nahi, small shareholder director. Which company should have small shareholder director? Answer is listed companies. Who will appoint small shareholder director? Who will appoint, sir? Matlab, in this voting process, whenever we are doing voting for appointing these shareholders, sir, who will participate? Answer is only small shareholders. Generally, in every voting, sir, whenever a resolution is passed in a meeting, all shareholders have to participate. We don't see any discrimination, sir. What you say, 60% value should only vote, 40, aisa we don't see, sir. But in this case, who will participate in the voting process, sir? Only small shareholder will participate, sir. So who will not participate, sir? Other shareholders. Now, lawmakers did not use a word big shareholders, but can I say if these people are small, others are big only, sir. Though I request, better do not use such terminology, sir. You may write down other shareholders will not participate in the meeting, sir. Okay, cool, sir. So these people will not participate, sir. Next question, sir. Sir, who can be a small shareholder? What is my next question, sir? Who can be a small shareholder, sir? Now, I will take some examples, sir. Sir, is it compulsory that small shareholder director should hold shares, or small shareholder director should hold shares, or not required to hold shares, sir? Is it compulsory that Anna should hold shares, sir, or even if he does not hold shares, chalega? Okay, if you say he should hold shares, my next question is kitna? Sir, face value of 20,000 or less, or more than 20,000 bhi chalega. So is this also okay, sir? So these are 3 questions which I am asking you, sir. In short, small shareholder director, who can be, sir? Who can become a small shareholder director, sir? सर एक बिग शेयर होल्डर और एक स्मॉल शेयर होल्डर और नॉट शेयर होल्डर सर, हु इज नॉट ए शेयर होल्डर सर? Sir, lawmaker said this we would not put any restriction, sir. So my answer is all can become. So my answer is all can become what, sir? Small shareholder director, sir. So here point you have to understand, voting process mein sure small shareholder should participate, but who can become a small shareholder director? Any person, sir. Whether you are a shareholder, whether you are not a shareholder, if you are a shareholder holding less than 20 also allowed, more than 20 also allowed, 20,000 also allowed, sir. In short, all three people are eligible to become what, bacha? Small shareholder director, sir. Provided he has DIN number, provided he gives consent to act as director of the company, sir. And so these are small, provided he does not attract any disqualification. So does not attract any disqualification under section 164. So ऐसा व्यक्ति can become what, बच्चा? Small shareholder director, sir. So how things will happen, sir? How things will happen, sir? Okay, question number 4, sir. So how things will happen? Small shareholders will propose. Small shareholder will propose name of one person. Small shareholder will propose name of one person as what, bacha? Small shareholder director, sir. So they will propose name of one person to act as a small shareholder director, and this proposal will be given to whom, sir? Company. And in general meeting, sir, now what will happen, sir? In the general meeting, sir, can I say there will be voting now? There will be voting now, and in this voting we have to consider this resolution. Who will participate, sir? Small shareholders only will participate, sir. Here what is required, sir? If OR is passed, then Anna is appointed, sir. If OR failed, then Anna is fasak, sir. Anna is not appointed, sir. I hope you understood this point, sir. So first you have to give your proposal, and you have to give your proposal or notice to appoint somebody as a small shareholder director, sir, to the company, and company will consider this in the general meeting, sir. I hope you understood, sir. And who can be a small shareholder director, sir? He can be any person. तो शेयर होल्डर भी हो सकता, नॉन शेयर होल्डर भी हो सकता, सर. ही कैन होल्ड मोर देन 20,000 ऑल्सो, लेस देन 20,000. क्लियर है बच्चा, सर? सर, नाउ माई क्वेश्चन टू यू पीपल इज, sir, you said small shareholder will propose. So do you think, imagine I am holding only say for example 100 shares in the company, face value is also 100, sir. So 100 rupees value I am holding, and rubab se I go to the company and say what, I want to appoint a small shareholder director. Chalo, take my proposal. Do you think aisa chalega? Answer is no. So here there will be some criteria. There will be some criteria, sir. So you can say the proposal should come from eligible small shareholders. The proposal should come from whom, sir? Eligible small shareholders, sir. Sir, what is the eligibility criteria? So lawmakers have used one word, flat number, sir. What is that, sir? 1,000 small shareholders. 1,000 small shareholders, or 10% of your total number of small shareholders. Okay, whichever is lower, sir. Sir, meaning, example, company में, Infosys में, say for example, sir, 1 lakh small shareholders are there. So we identified 1 lakh shareholders are there who are holding 20,000 or less. In fact, it will be more than that only. I'm just taking one random example, sir. So here application should come from how many people, sir? 1,000, or 1 lakh का 10%, it will be कितना बच्चा? 1 lakh का 10% will be 10,000, sir. Okay, whichever is lower. तो इसका मतलब 1,000 people should come together. 1,000 people should come together. They should give one proposal in writing. So 1000 people will come together, they will give their proposal in writing, sir. Sir, that proposal should be signed, sir. That proposal should have name, address details, of all those people, sir. Wow. So 1000 people should come together, name, address, writing, signed, plus it should also mention share details which they are holding, sir. Shares holding details, and also should tell you the folio number. Can I say shares register mein you will be having folio number, so you should also tell that folio number. So all these things you should give in that proposal, sir. So proposed one name, that propose will be given in the form of one notice, sir. So all these things should be given, sir. So small shareholders, whose are those small shareholders, sir? Eligible small shareholders will send their proposal to company. Us proposal mein what they will write, sir? Their name, all 1000 people ka name, sir, address, there, that should be in writing, it should be signed, sir, obviously dated also, and shareholding details also, and folio number details also. Plus they should also give details whom they want to appoint as what, bacha? Small shareholder, sir. Whom they want to appoint as a small shareholder. Now sir, ye question ye hai, sir, this proposal will be entertained in the general meeting, sir. So how many days before this proposal should be given, sir? So lawmakers are 14 days before the meeting. 14 days before the meeting, sir. 14 days before the meeting. So here assumption kya hai, bachcha? What is the assumption, sir? Sir, assumption is company has already given notice of general meeting. To whom, sir? Company has already given notice of general meeting. To whom, sir? Shareholders. I am using a word shareholders. Everyone ko we are giving the shareholders, sir. Sir, after receiving the notice, sir, group of small shareholders or eligible small shareholders have come together and they thought, acha. Now can I say, when this notice is given, it will be given 21 days before the general meeting. In fact, the word you should use is 21 clear days. You should use this 21 clear days, which is written in the Companies Act also. Anyway, usko goli maro, sir. So can I say here, most important point you should understand is, small shareholder director are giving the proposal and then company is calling the meeting. Already meeting is called. So what we thought, है ना, in the existing meeting only, let us also consider this proposal. In the existing meeting only, let us also pass this resolution. तो इसका मीनिंग इज व्हाट, सर? वी आर नॉट कॉलिंग ए सेपरेट मीटिंग. पनलो पनी इंको का पनी, है ना? जो काम हो रहा है उसमें एक और एक काम सही. सर, यू हैव ऑलरेडी कॉल्ड ए मीटिंग, तो चलो, है ना, उसमें बहती गंगा में हाथ धो लो, है ना. लेट अस एंश्योर दैट दिस वर्क इज ऑल्सो कंडक्टेड इन दैट मीटिंग. दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड. नेवर एवर you are separately calling a meeting, sir. So this is your assumption with which you should go, sir. So how many days before the meeting it should be received, sir? 14 days before the meeting it should be received. Aisa wordings I also used in section 160, sir, if you remember. Anyway, so up to here I guess you should have understood. So small shareholders will give their proposal to whom, sir? Company. Sir, who are those small shareholder? Eligible shareholders. How many are there, sir? 1000 or 10% of the total number of small shareholders, whichever is lower. So those people will send the proposal including the name of the person whom they want to be proposed as a small shareholder director, sir. Should he be a member? No, he can be any person, sir. This should reach the company 14 days before the meeting. Sir, in the meeting voting will happen. Who will participate, sir? Obviously a small shareholder, sir. Sir, agar OR pass hua to they are appointed, OR fail hua to they will not be appointed. I hope you understood, sir. So meaning is question number 5 or analysis number 5, sir. So company will appoint small shareholder director when company will appoint small shareholder director. Sir, when I use the word company, which company it is, sir? Obviously listed company. So listed company will appoint small shareholder director when? कब करेंगे, sir? sir, when if if proposal is received from eligible shareholders, correct है, eligible small shareholders, proposal is received from eligible small shareholders. Okay, now sir, now my question to you people is, sir, every time company should wait for the proposal to come or they can also do on suo motu basis? Sir, can I say sometimes some companies voluntarily do something for protecting the interest of those people, so that they can also gather the attention of those people? Can I say those people will always feel good? Who are those people, sir? Small shareholders, sir. So lawmaker said this is also possible, this is also possible. So company can do this voluntary also. So company can do this on a voluntary basis also. So now the point is, agar company has to appoint one small shareholder director, sir, so this can be received as a proposal from the eligible small shareholders, or I can do on my own, sir. I can do on my own, sir. Okay, very good, sir. Sir, if company is thinking of having a small shareholder, sir, question is how many are required? Question is how many are required? Answer is at least one. Answer is at least one. तो इसका मतलब company can have one or more than one small shareholder director, but at least one तो it is required. Is this point clear or not, sir? Now, sir, आगे जाकर एक बड़ा बॉम्ब is what we have to put in this analysis, sir. So presently try to ensure that you are concentrating very well, sir. Okay, so I'm waiting for a few seconds, sir. Please pause the video and note down whatever is written here. I hope you have written down this thing, sir. Okay, now, so let me go with okay, so let me go with another question, sir, in small shareholder director only. Okay, sir. Sir, can a small shareholder director be treated as independent director? Can a small shareholder director be treated as independent director? Now my answer is yes also. My answer is no also, sir. Okay, what is this, sir? How is both answers possible? Possible. Sir, small shareholder director can be treated as independent director when if he fulfills all the criterias of section 149 subsection 6. What is 149 subsection 6, sir? These are the conditions which are to be fulfilled by a person becoming small shareholder director. These are some conditions which are to be fulfilled by a person to become what, bacha? Independent director, sir. Plus he should, or he fulfills all the conditions, plus he gives declaration to act as independent director under section 149 subsection 7. मतलब आप में वो सारे गुण है जो एक इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर में होने चाहिए, प्लस आप इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर बनना भी चाहते हो, है ना? टू थिंग्स आई एम सेइंग. నీ దాంట్లో అన్ని క్వాలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి ఏవి విచ్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ ఎన్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ డైరెక్టర్ టు హ్యావ్, ప్లస్ నువ్వు ఇండిపెండెంట్ డైరెక్టర్గా యాక్ట్ చేయడానికి కూడా సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నావు. జనరలీ ఇట్నా హై లెవెల్ తెలుగు ఐ డోంట్ నో, బట్ ఎస్ టుడే వర్డ్ ఫ్లో హ్యాస్ బీన్ వెరీ ఈజీ, సార్. సో యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ బోత్ ద థింగ్స్. You fulfill all the conditions plus you are giving a declaration that you want to be acted as a independent director, sir. Agar you fulfill these 2 points, then here we have used the word if, then and a small shareholder director will be also considered as independent director, sir. Sir, here what is the word I am using, sir? No. When it will be no, sir? If, or we will write like this, sir. Then you will be treated as small shareholder director. Else you will not be treated as small shareholder. Sorry, you will not be treated as independent director. So what is the question, sir? Can a small shareholder director be treated as independent director? So my answer is yes, when if 2 conditions are fulfilled. No, when if either condition is not fulfilled. Matlab, see, you don't fulfill the criteria and you try to give declaration. Can I say Petco? We don't want that. Babaji ka tullu. Can I say you giving declaration is second thing? First, you should have all the qualities of an independent director, sir. I hope you understood this point. Clear? Next point, sir. So if you want to write, you please make a note of this. So can they be treated as independent director? Yes, sir. Okay. So here he will play the role of small shareholder director also and independent director also. But if this is no, independent director तो नहीं है, but he will now act as small shareholder director, sir. He will now act as small shareholder director, sir. Clear है बच्चा? Next. Sir, if you remember if you remember section 152 subsection 6, 152 subsection 7, rotational directors, non-rotational directors. In TNOD calculation, total number of directors में, if you remember, independent directors are to be excluded. मतलब they are neither rotational director nor non-rotational director. They enjoy fixed term, but they don't come under total number of directors, sir. I hope you remember, sir. Sir, now my question to you people is, sir, will small shareholder director be considered for 152(6)(7) provision? That is, whether he will be considered for total number of directors? Now, can I say here my answer will be again different for different cases. Agar you are treating small shareholder director as a independent director, then not counted in total number of directors under section 152 subsection 6. You will not be counted as you will be not counted in total number of directors, sir, because you are considered as a independent director. But imagine if you are not fulfilling the criteria or you are not acting as an independent director, then he shall be considered under total number of directors, sir, which is 152 subsection 6 wala point, sir. So this is one cross linking which is required, sir. Again I am telling you, sir, whether TNOD calculation में small shareholder director will come or not. So my answer is depends. If this person is also acting like an independent director, no. If he is not acting as an independent director, yes, he will be considered under total number of directors. So what will be the consequence? Rotational or non-rotational में he should come, sir. I hope you understood this. Clear है बच्चा? Next. If you are writing, please note down, sir. Let us now discuss another part, sir. Sir, how much is the tenure of small shareholder director, sir? Sir, in this case, lawmakers are very stingy, sir. है ना? बहुत ही कंजूसी दिखाया उन्होंने, है ना? They have shown high level or high amount of stinginess, sir. They said you will be having or you will enjoy one term of maximum 3 years. So you can enjoy one term of maximum 3 years. Then the question is, are they eligible for reappointment? Now, lawmakers और ज्यादा कंजूसी दिखाए सर, आंसर इज नो, they are not eligible for reappointment. This is highest irony on this earth, sir. So they are not eligible for reappointment. Now imagine a small shareholder director says, है ना sir, I was appointed as a director. First 6-7 months तो it took me, मतलब first 6-7 months तो it took me for to understand the business of the company. Second year में है ना I tried to gain knowledge, and third year में I was trying to implement, and now lawmakers, you do not allow me to be again reappointed. Can I say by the time he gained the expertise, at that time only we are asking him to leave, sir. मतलब the time you have nurtured, groomed a particular person, sir, now you are removing him, sir. Can I say this is super irony, sir? Sir, did lawmakers stop here only? No, sir, they have also put one prohibition. They have also put one prohibition, sir. Sir, what is prohibition, sir? What is this prohibition? This is a prohibition for post secession. मतलब after you enjoy your term of 3 years, है ना, so you are appointed in T1, sir, you will enjoy your office up to T3, sir. Now lawmakers are after T3, sir, this is post secession period, sir. Sir, you should not be associated with the company. You should not be associated with the company in any manner. You should not be associated with the company in any manner for 3 years. So mostly people call this also as a cooling period, sir. People also call this as a cooling period, sir. Okay, so after you leave the company, sir, you should not be associated with the company in any manner for 3 years, sir. Now let's analyze, sir. Not be associated with the company in any manner matlab, sir, can I be an employee? If you are an employee, every day you will come to the company, sir. Nahi chalega, sir. Sir, can I be a supplier? No. Sir, can company give loan to me? No. All these are not possible, sir. Now most important question, sir, can I be a shareholder? Sir, can I be a shareholder? Imagine before becoming small shareholder director only, I was a shareholder in the company. Can I continue to hold them? My answer is yes. Can hold previous shares. You can hold. We are not forcing you to sell your shares, sir. Okay, sir. Can I buy new shares? Answer is still yes. Can I say already there are several checks for issue of shares in the company, sir? If you are going for a private placement and if you are going for public issue, already there are several checks, sir. So can I buy shares? Yes. So buying shares is not saying associated with the companies. So buying shares does not mean associated with the company. So I can still hold shares in the company, sir, but I should not be an employee, supplier, etc. Financial relationship I should not have, sir. But anyway, shareholding is allowed. Can I be a normal director? No. Normal director? No, not allowed, sir. So these type of things may you should not be indulged. Now, another twisting question, sir. Sir, can I be an employee in that company ka holding company? Can I be employee in that company का subsidiary company or that company का associate company? Is this possible, sir? Can I be acting as an employee, or can I be acting as a director? Can I be acting as a supplier? So I am not associated with that company, sir. That company के साथ तो I am not associated, but that company will have holding, subsidiary, associate. Can I be associated? Now my answer is, if we read this law very literally, read this line very literally, my answer will be yes, because the word used is with the company. The word used is with the company and not their companies, etc., sir. So here the word used is the company, sir, and neither they have used a word directly or indirectly. Why I am uttering this word, sir? because these words are used for independent directors as per 149 subsection 6, sir. So for those directors these words were used, but here these words are not used. So in other words, you should not be associated with the company. Now company के ऊपर नीचे बाजू, ऊपर मतलब holding subsidiary and associate के साथ you can have relationship. Sir, maybe an intention of lawmakers may not be this. Sir, they did not want any association with these things. But can I say by the wordings, you will come to this conclusion only, sir. So tomorrow, maybe if this matter goes to a court gives a judgment, then I may reverse my answer saying that you should not be associated with the company also and all other companies associated with that company also. But today, literal speaking, sir, I will go with this interpretation only, sir. So today you should not be associated with the company, but other companies के साथ तो you can be associated. Clear है बच्चा? Now, sir, here एक twister I would like to put, sir. Okay, what is a twister, sir? Sir, company has appointed the particular person as a small shareholder director for only 2 years, sir. मतलब company could have appointed this person for 3 years. But they appointed him only for 2 years, sir. Okay, so T1, T2, T3, sir. So they have appointed him for this period and this period, sir. Sir, they could have appointed for this period also, sir, but presently they have appointed only for 2 years, sir, not for 3rd year. Cool, sir. Sir, why? What could be the reason? Maybe company thought, let us test and then we will check whether we can continue with this person or not, sir. So 2 years he worked really well, sir. Now company says, anyway company law says that a particular person can hold the office for 3 years. So let me now again appoint for the 3rd year also. Is this permissible? Is this permissible? Or when company went for 2 years, did they do right thing or wrong thing, sir? Now, sir, what is the wordings I said, sir? A particular person can be acting as an independent director for a term of maximum 3 years. Sir, when I say maximum 3 years, it can be less also. So here 2 years appointment is valid, sir. But I also used another word, sir. He will be not eligible for reappointment. Can I say if you are appointing him for the 3rd year, this is nothing but reappointment? And answer is not allowed, sir. Answer is not allowed. So here that reappointment cannot be done, sir. I hope you understood this point also, sir. Sir, in this section, various analysis points are there, sir. If you can apply brains, I am telling you, you can dig deep this answer in a very detailed manner, sir. I tried my level best to dig deep, sir. So just make note of this point also, sir. Okay. Now let me discuss another point also, sir. Sir, now if we read Companies Act very detailedly, sir, Act has now brought two class of independent directors. Two class of independent directors. Sir, one class of independent directors where we are defining in section 149, sir, where you have to fulfill all those conditions, etc., sir. Another class of independent director as per section 151, which is small shareholder director, sir. So you can say presently there are two classes of independent directors, sir. Sir, for this person, what did we say, sir? You will enjoy max tenure of 3 years. And reappointment के लिए what is the word I am using, sir? No. And cooling period, how much it is, sir? 3 years. Sir, with the company, yes. So he should not be associated with the company, sir. So whatever I am discussing now, sir, presently it is not relevant for you, sir. But jaise you understand independent director ka concept as per section 149, you will get crystal clear clarity, sir. Sir, there that law says if you are appointed for what you say independent director as a normal independent director? Can I say he's a special independent director because he is a small shareholder director also and independent director also? So this person will have tenure of 5 years. Sir, is he eligible for reappointment? Answer is yes, for another 5 years. Maximum terms I am talking, sir. Sir, is there any cooling period also here? Yes, that is 3 years, sir. So Anna will be appointed, he can enjoy 2 terms. Term 1, 5 years, term 2, 5 years. Sir, then he will not be reappointed, sir. Again, he has to go for cooling period of 3 years, sir. Sir, here the word used is he should not be associated with the company directly, not be associated with the company indirectly. So here I will say he will not be eligible to be appointed in the company also, associate also, subsidiary also, holding also, sir, cash. But here I will only use the word C, but ash will not come into. Okay, so this one interpretation is very much required. When you read 149, you will understand this in a fantastic way. I hope you understood this point. Can I go forward, bacha? Yes. Next point, sir. Sir, in this section only, 151 only, एक point is written, sir. अगर एक small shareholder director, if he breaches or if he violates or if he is not meeting, or let's take in this manner, small shareholder director is appointed. Okay, after appointment he is not fulfilling any of the criteria given in 149 subsection 6, then in such case he has to vacate his office. Who has to vacate the office, sir? Small shareholder director has to vacate the office. Now, sir, my question to you people is, should you interpret this point in this manner? Answer is no, sir. Sir, here you should understand, small shareholder director plus he was also acting as ID. Small shareholder director, sir, he never gave declaration, so obviously he was not acting as ID. Sir, this total thing will apply here, but this thing will not apply here, sir. Obviously, if you are not considering yourself as an independent director, then sir, if you don't meet 149(6) wala criteria, why will you vacate? So this person will still continue because he never said that I want to be a independent director. But this person has to vacate because he said that he wants himself to be considered as an independent director. I hope you understood this point very well, sir. Can I go forward, sir? Boys and girls, yes. Sir, now, ये जो total 151 वाला section we are reading, sir, all these points which I uttered, sir, majority of the points are given in rules. And what is the rule number, sir? Rule number 7. Okay, so it is rule number 7 which has given you all these points. Now, separately you need not write in exam that this is given in rule, this is given in section, not required, sir. You can put all mixed fruit juice saying that as per section 151 and rule 7 and so provision you can write down, sir. Clear hai, bacha? Okay, now my question to you people, sir. This is a bomber. Now, to be very frank with you, sir, maybe 80% of Indian faculties will not agree with me. I know this point very well, sir. So, with huge disclaimer, whatever now I am telling you, it is a huge disclaimer. This is my interpretation, sir. Okay, but 80% of Indian faculties ka whatever I am telling you now, they will disagree with me, sir. But still, this is my interpretation and I would like to justify also, sir. Though I am not a judge, sir, maybe I am wrong also, but I will give both the answers in front of you, sir. You apply your brains, you will understand why I am interpreting in this manner and not that manner. Sir, question ये है, who should have independent director, sir? Every listed company. Who should have, sir? Every listed companies. Now my next question is, is it compulsory, is it compulsory to have small shareholder directors? Is it compulsory, sir? Okay. Sir, lawmakers have used a word, every listed company or a listed company. What I'm using, sir, every listed company may, what is the word they have used, sir? May appoint a small shareholder director dash 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 dash. So here, what is the point I want to tell you, sir? May. Now, general rule, sir, general rule, whenever we write a word may मतलब क्या, sir? It is discretion. may मतलब क्या, sir? Not mandatory. So now my question to you people is, will every listed company should have independent director or may have independent director, sir? If I strictly say, they may have independent directors, meaning, now what are the ways of appointment, sir? Two ways were there, sir. Either request will come from small shareholders, or company will do this on a suo motu basis. Now, sir, if company does this on a suo motu basis, now here I can say company may do, company may not do. So here I can say, yes, this is the discretion of the companies. But do you think here also, should I read this may as may only? Should I read this may as may only, sir? Meaning what? Let me understand, sir. Let me explain you, sir. Meaning, 1000 shareholders or 10% of your total number of small shareholders, whichever is lower. Assuming that 1000 is lower, sir. Now, what is happening, sir? This 1000 people, first thing is they should come together. Sir, in a company, Infosys may, how many shareholders are there? Do you think I know all these people? No. So can I say first challenge thing is all 1000 shareholders knowing each other? That itself is the biggest challenge. That itself is the biggest challenge, sir. Okay. Next. Then 1000 shareholders should come together and all should have one thinking, sir. Chalo, baite baite kya kare, karna hai kuch kaam. Let's write one application and let's appoint small shareholders, sir. So then they should make one proposal, sir. Wow. Then they should make one proposal. In that proposal, they should have consensus whom they want to be appointed as a small shareholder director. They should write name of small shareholder director whom they are proposed. Name of small shareholder director also they should give. Okay. Did lawmaker stop here? No. Sir, this should be in writing. It should have, it should be signed. Isme name should be written. Address should be written. Share details should be written. Whatever shares you are holding, that detail should be written. What is the folio number? That should be written. Okay. All these bundle prepared. Okay. Next. So all these bundle is prepared. So eligible small shareholder director, they prepared this total application and gave to whom, sir? Board of directors of the company, or you can say gave to company. Okay. Now here comes the twist, sir. Now company ka management reads section 151. Company ka management reads section 151. And what does 151 say, sir? A listed company may, upon the notice of not less than 1000 shareholders or 10% of total number of shareholders, whichever is lower, have an elected, what do you say, so first is 1000 shareholder or 10% of the total number of small shareholder, whichever is lower, have a small shareholder elected by the small shareholders. Okay, so they saw, acha, it is may only na, it is may only na. So all those 1000 papers, all those 1000 applications, and all those 1000 applications they have thrown on the face of whom, sir? Those small shareholder directors, saying what? Lawmakers have used a word may, है ना? So directors may appoint, directors may not appoint. Don't you think, क्या मजाक है भाई ये? If it is may, why did I discuss this for 1 hour? My class presently is going for 1 hour. मतलब एक person reads the entire section and last में he says what? May appoint, may appoint, may do, sir. Sir, don't you think this looks pathetic, sir? This looks एकदम absurd interpretation. This ensures that you are not understanding the intention of lawmakers. Every time words should not be given strict meaning, sir. Yes, I understand, may matlab discretion hai, may matlab optional hai, it is just एक option of the board of directors. But sir, when we try to read law, or nobody can read law, sir, when we try to interpret law, sir, for interpretation of laws we have certain rules. Those are called interpretation rules. These are called what, sir? Interpretation rules. So in IPCC, sorry, CA Inter new syllabus में you have this chapter also, sir. Sir, in that rule we have, in that interpretation rule we have one principle, sir. What is the principle, sir? Rule of exceptional construction. Rule of what, bachcha? Exceptional construction. Now what do you mean by rule of exceptional construction, sir? Now it says agar any particular law the word used is may, so in some cases you can read that word may as shall, or in a particular law if word used is shall, you may read as may. Okay, so this is allowed. This is allowed in every case? No, in exceptional cases. Okay, but when you will do this, sir? When you will do this, sir? Matlab every time you will apply this rule? Answer is no, sir. When there is a power associated with duty. What is the word I am using, sir? When there is a power associated with what, sir? Duty. So when you should apply this rule, sir? When there is a power associated with duty, sir. Now my question to you people, sir. Sir, don't you think don't you think giving application of those 1000 people, it is whose power, sir? It is whose power, sir? Can I say small shareholders power, sir? Sir, appointing small shareholder director is whose duty, sir? Board of directors, sir. Matlab एक small shareholder cannot appoint, sir. Can I say this proposal entire thing has to be taken up by whom, sir? So what is a board of directors only? Can I say here you have a power associated with what, bacha? Duty. So there is a power also, there is a duty also. So don't you think as a situation may we can properly apply which rule? Rule of exceptional construction. So in my case, I will not interpret the word may as may, sir. Here this may will become what? Shall. Because here in this case also I use a word may. There is no point of preparing this section. There is no point of explaining this section. There is no point of you reading this, and there is no point of I say asking this. There is no point of professional giving a professional advice to their clients, sir. Everything will be taken for a toss if this is also read as may. So here this should be read as shall only. Clear? But still, sir, you will be finding 80 or maybe 90% of the faculties reading this may as may only, and they will not construct this as shall. But I gave you logic here also, sir. and I substantiated this with my principle also. So you can Google search, sir, rule of exceptional construction. So these are some rules for interpretation, sir. Or why Google search? Go to ICI website, sir. There download IPCC ka study material, that is CA Inter ka study material. Read one chapter called Interpretation of Statutes. You will understand, sir. Clear hai bacha? So this is one small thing which I wanted to tell you, sir. Clear? Now let's read the answer. So let's start and fatafat let us complete, sir. So a small shareholder director, sorry, a small shareholder means a shareholder. Preference also chalega, equity bhi chalega, sir. Holding a shares of nominal value, kitna 20,000 or less, sir. Sir, who will have this, sir? Every listed company may have how many? At least one, sir. Can they have more than one? Yes, sir. Sir, what are the ways of appointment, sir? Two ways, at the request of shareholders. So a listed company may, upon the notice, who is giving this notice, sir? So have, can I say have, whom, sir? Small shareholder director, elected by small shareholders only. So it's ka matlab voting mein who will come, sir? Small shareholder only. This may should be read as what, bacha? Cell. I gave you author's note also here, sir. Sir, suo moto listed company may on his own opt a director representative. Now here it will be may only, sir. Other conditions. What are the other conditions, sir? Notice is required. So small shareholders intending to propose a person as a candidate for small shareholders give notice signed at least how many days? 14 days before the meeting. This shows that you are not calling a separate meeting. You are doing this job in the existing meeting. सर नोटिस में क्या होना चाहिए? नेम ऑफ दोज पीपल, सर, एड्रेस, शेयर्स हेल्ड, फोलियो हेल्ड, सर, किसका, सर, किसका, पर्सन whose name is proposed as a small shareholder director and also a small shareholder, sir. So you may say, sir, you are asking share details of proposed director also. ऐसा कैसा? You said a proposed director may be, may not be a shareholder. See the next sub rule also, sir. If the person being proposed does not hold any shares in the company, details of shares held and folio number need not be given. So what is the conclusion, sir? It is not compulsory that small shareholder director should be a small shareholder of the company, sir. Clear? Sir, can I say notice may what should also write, sir? DIN number. You should also give one declaration that he is not disqualified and he is having consent to act as a director, sir. Will small shareholder director be considered as an independent director? Yes, if he fulfills 149.6 wala criteria and gives declaration of 149.7, sir. Sir, if he does this, he will be considered as an independent director. Sir, what is the tenure? 3 consecutive years. Are they eligible for reappointment? Not eligible for reappointment. Will they retire by rotation? Answer is no, sir. When? If at all, he is considered as independent director, sir. Disqualification. If a person attracts any disqualification under section 164, he can't be appointed as a small shareholder director. I already told you, sir. When small shareholder director will vacate, sir, if he incurs any disqualification. Now this is applicable for all small shareholder director. Matlab SSD plus ID, only SSD also. Sir, he will vacate his office 167. Can I say these two are applicable for both type of directors, sir? If he ceases to meet the criteria of independence, can I say this point is only applicable for small shareholder director who is also considered as what, sir? Independent director. See author's note. Vacation of office happens only if appointment he was considered as what, bacha? Independent director. Is this point clear or not, sir? Okay, next. Sir, okay, now this point I have to explain. So this is on hold. I will explain you, sir. Post secession. Sir, can I say after the cessation of office, sir, you should not be appointed or associated in any manner with the company for a period of 3 years. Okay, so this point is also on hold, sir. Let us take this point. Okay, next point, sir. Limits on small shareholder directorships. Imagine Mr. Small was appointed as a small shareholder director. Okay. Now question is, how many companies may he can be appointed as a small shareholder director, sir? So lawmakers said he can be appointed as a small shareholder director in max two companies. Max two companies, sir. So more than two companies not allowed. So you can be appointed as a small shareholder director only in two companies. More than two companies not allowed. Sir, in max two companies also there are conditions, sir. There are conditions. Sir, company number one and company number two should not have conflicting business. Should not have conflict in business, sir. Example, sir. Mr. Small is a small shareholder director where in Hindustan Unilever Limited, and he is also a small shareholder director where in Patanjali. Now, can I say what advice to grow the business he will give to Patanjali? The same advice he will also give to Hindustan Unilever Limited. Can I say in this case, two companies mein to it was allowed, but here they are having conflict of business, hence not allowed. But imagine he is there in Hindustan Unilever Limited and he is also there in Infosys Limited. Is this allowed? Yes, because conflict of business is not there, sir. Because conflict of business is not there, sir. Sorry, here I should use a word competing. What is the word I should use, sir? Competing. So they both are, Patanjali and Hindustan Unilever Limited are competitors to each other, sir. But can I say Hindustan and Patanjali are not competitors to each other. So they are not in a competing business. Sir, also word used is they should not have any conflict also. They should not have any conflict also. Let's read once, sir. So small shareholder director can hold position. Small shareholder director can hold position in maximum what, sir? Two companies. He can hold the position of small shareholder director in how many companies? Two companies. However, the second company in which he is appointed as a small shareholder director should not have competing business, should not have conflicting with the business of first company. Now, competing के लिए तो I gave you example, sir. What could be the conflict business, sir? Example. Sir, Mr. Small is a small shareholder director in one Section 8 company. In one Section 8 company. What does this Section 8 company say, sir? Sir, they says that they promote non-alcoholism. So they promote what, sir? Non-alcoholism, sir. Or they promote no smoking campaign. So they said smoking is injurious, है ना? So don't smoke. जीवन में कभी रन आउट मत होना. इस नगर को हुआ क्या? कहीं आग तो कहीं धुआं क्या? तो दारू पीना मना है, सर, है ना? So he is मतलब this Section 8 company is going for promotion of this type of campaign, sir. And what did you see? He is also a small shareholder director where, say for example, United Breweries. And there he says what, कि सुबह उठो शाम में दारू पी के सो जाओ, सर. दारू पी के डांस करे. Can I say जैसे ही comes to Section 8 company he says what, है ना, धूम्रपान करना निषेध है, जीवन में कभी रन आउट मत होना, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. जैसे ही comes to United Breweries he says what, sir, कि दारू पी के डांस करे, sir. Can I say he is having conflict of business now? Sir, there he will say something, here he will say another. Sir, they are not competitors to each other. There is no competition. Can I say Section 8 company, why they will give competition, sir? They are non-profit companies. But here conflict of interest is there. ऐसे companies में also you should not be appointed. I hope you understood, sir. Clear? Last point which I want to tell you, sir. Sir, as per Section 110, sir, there are certain items which are to be considered only by postal ballot, and listed company is covered in that section, sir. Matlab, there are some resolutions which company should pass through postal ballot only, sir. They should not conduct the meeting, but through post they have to pass the resolution, sir. Sir, how many items are there, sir? 10 items are there, sir. Sir, usme one of the item is appointment of small shareholder director, sir. So here listed company, when they are appointing a small shareholder director, they have to ensure that they do this by postal ballot, sir. This is one point. So this hold is also over, this hold is also over. With this we conclude small shareholders directors. I hope you liked this answer, sir. So please give me your feedback also, how well you are understanding the concepts. Okay, so before I leave, एक bomb I would like to put, sir. Now what is the bomb I would like to put, sir? Sir, when those eligible small shareholder directors, when those eligible small shareholders were proposing the name, when those eligible small shareholders were proposing the name of a small shareholder director, sir, do you think compliance of section 160 is required? Do you think compliance of section 160 is required? Do you think that 1 lakh wala concept etc is required? Now, sir, remember one point. 160 May, when that proposal was coming, that was getting distributed to all the shareholders. But here when this proposal is coming, this is getting distributed to small shareholders, sir, because voting process mein who is participating? Small shareholders are only participating, sir. So can I say here limited people are participating? Hence lawmakers, though it is not explicitly written, but I have gone through many books for interpretation, sir. 160 ka criteria is not required, sir. So no deposit is required, nothing is required, sir. 160 ka criteria need not be fulfilled, sir. I hope you understood, sir. Clear? Next, one more bomb I would like to put, sir. Sir, I told you 169 section mein you can remove you can remove any director before the tenure, sir. Sir, can small shareholder director be also removed? Answer is yes. Using 169 you can remove a small shareholder director, sir. This is irony. Can I say ek to with great difficulty small shareholders came together and they fought and they appointed, sir. And what did majority shareholder do, sir? Simple ordinary resolution they passed and removed him, sir. So this is allowed, sir. This is one loophole I can say, sir, which should have not been allowed, but this is allowed. So this also as an author's note I gave you, sir. Small shareholder director has got no protection under section 169. So they can be removed by shareholders by passing ordinary resolution. Okay. Thank you very much. फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते in next class with another interesting session.